The event that's taking place right now is we're putting up our Portable Doppler Radar, or PDR for short. PDR is just like those radars that National Weather Service has back in the States, where they're able to look at storm clouds and interrogate that storm and see kind of what's happening on the inside of the cloud. And so we're setting one up here for ourselves so that we can get a better picture on what's happening in the broader atmosphere. The first step, of course, is getting in contact with our WISC team. They are in charge of maintenance and equipment within the CENTCOM area of responsibility. They repair, they replace, and they update equipment. And so the first step was getting involved with them, talking to them, and seeing what we would need to do to make it all happen. This was about 2 or 3 weeks in the making, so we had a little bit of a short turnaround, but we made it happen.
The importance of tracking inclement weather is to provide our customers, Army and Air Force, with the amount of time necessary to shelter or to put their aircraft and vehicles into specific hangars so they don't get damaged for that. So it's resource protection of those assets. There are only a few radars in the entire AOR, and this is one of them that's going to be able to help with the overall scope of the mission here for AFCENT and RCENT. So that'll be helpful for the Army and the Air Force assets.
Being able to see out and peer into storms is very important for meteorology. So having that eyesight, that visibility to see if a storm potentially is going to collapse and cause a dust storm around the base is critical. So being able to view what's happening inside of a storm live is very important. And that's one of the biggest reasons we want to have this portable Doppler radar.